toppling a world record. Red Cedar Elementary School has set the Guinness World Record for most cereal boxes toppled in a domino fashion. The previous world record was 3,416 boxes. Red Cedar set up more than 6,000 boxes, and even though they didn't all topple down, the school still beat the old record by more than 200 boxes.
It's great. I wish the rest of them would have gone down, but that's asking an awful lot. To make every one of those turns, make everything just be perfect, that's really tough. But this was fantastic. Lots of excitement about it, lots of enthusiasm. We're as happy as we could be.
Students were able to watch the event from a live stream in their classrooms, and were excited to find out they set the record, knocking down 3,730 boxes.
Honestly, our class was so elated. We were cheering. I mean, we probably could have shook the whole building down because we were just so excited.
Oh gosh, my heart dropped when it kept on going around the turn. Every single one, it was just there really aren't many words to describe how happy I felt once we broke the world record, especially because all the class was elated and it was very, very exciting.
Students donated the boxes of cereal to use, and some classes even reached out to local businesses for more boxes.
Some kindergartners wrote persuasive essays to Publix and to Walmart to get them to donate cereal, and they did.
The boxes of cereal will now be donated to Bluffton Self-Help, and a short story or handwritten note by a student will be attached to every cereal box.
We estimate it's about 32 to 40,000 meals right here that these kids are providing back to our community. It's really incredible, very meaningful, and just spectacular to be a part of this whole process.
My story was about a cereal box that went through came through donating to this school to being set up and toppling down. I like doing this kind of thing where it's in the point of view of an object. 2 independent witnesses from the community were on hand to verify the record. They counted all the boxes and watched as they were being set up and toppling down. At Red Cedar Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.